Two people na po. Two people. Yan. 85. Bumaba. Uy. Nagbaba ang aking uy. Nagkuhan na siya. Uy. 46, 48. 48 na siya. Yan, done na. Where is next to pin natin? Sino po ang isunod nating ipin? Ay, si Pinay. Pinay. Punta po tayo kay Pinay USA. Thank you. 3 people in the house. Thank you. Laura, you're welcome. Pinay USA. Ito pa. I'm gonna hear sound of birds. Hilton and ultimate home decor item you can rise in 2 people in the house. Sorry, just editing as well in another program, but here. Thank you, sis. No, thank you. No problem. No. Oh, sorry. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Yan po. Ganda niya. Ayun, yung ibon. Birds. We have a lot of birds in the backyard. Nahulog yung ko ng ibon. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Uy, ay. Si Peggy, Peggy. Ayun.